I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by placing the widget so you can resize it. Long press an empty area of the home screen, tap Widgets, then drag your chosen widget onto the screen. Once placed, make sure the widget's default bounds don't overlap icons or folders. That will block resizing. If the widget won't land, free up 1 or 2 grid cells by moving apps. This step sets the stage. If the initial placement is correct, the resize handles appear and the rest goes smoothly. Once the widget is placed, long press it again to reveal handles at the edges and corners. You'll see a faint grid that shows allowable sizes. You then drag a handle outward to increase width or height, and inward to reduce it. The grid snaps to whole cells to keep alignment. Make sure to hold and move deliberately. Rapid lifts can cancel the action. If the handles don't appear, check the launcher's settings because some launchers limit resizing or require an edit mode. Finish by releasing the handle and tapping outside the widget to lock the new size. You should verify the widget's content scales and isn't cropped. If it is, open the widget's app settings or re-add the widget in a different size. If resizing is blocked, restart the launcher or the device because temporary glitches can hide handles. As a final troubleshooting tip, install a modern launcher temporarily if resizing works there. The issue is your default launcher's limits rather than the widget itself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.